English?
Yes.
We get used to it after a while.
I'm not getting used to this.
I don't know what my tattoo likes it.
Do you not like it?
No.
Just don't think about it. We're on the road again. What time is it? It's 10 to 1 and we are in Christopher. We are on our way to Butterworth, Penang. And we're staying there at night and then we're getting a ferry to Langkawi, a beach resort. We're a bit behind schedule. We should have been setting off at 12:30, but obviously because of traffic, the bus didn't get here on time. We're on a lovely bus, nice and spacious, and a bit of Glasgow behind us. So yeah, we will check in when we get to Butterworth. Oh gosh, I look like a ghost. So, according to Google Maps, this is where our hotel is. There's no hotel. So either we're lost or we're homeless. I don't really know what to suggest. Frantically looking at maps. It's now 7:15, so we've been on the move since 10:30 this morning. And yeah, that is our hotel apparently. The back streets. So we've just asked some very, very nice ladies. They've put through on Google Maps and it looks like the postcode is just completely wrong. We thought we were going to be staying on these couches over here in a shop window, but we literally have to go straight down near a cross junction. Yeah,
Well, that was lucky.
cross junction, and then it should be there. Come on.